Welcome back, you guys. On tonight's episode, we're making mussels. Let's get cooking.
I'm a private chef, cook for money, yeah.
All right, guys, mussels. Mussels are one of the easiest things to cook. You really can't fuck them up. You put them in a pan, you steam them 3 to 5 minutes, you're done. Very important to remember though, when you're cooking mussels, you gotta go through them all, scrub them off. I like to just rinse them really well while they're still in this mesh bag. Get all the grime off and then go through them. They should all be closed when you're buying them before you cook. If there's any of them that are open, let's see if I can find any that are open in mine. These are all closed, but let's pretend one wasn't closed. Let's pretend this guy's a little bit open right here. What you're gonna do, give him a little tap. 2 little gentle taps. If it closes, perfect, you're good to go. If it doesn't close, it's done, it's dead. Throw it away. There's many ways to cook mussels, many different flavors you can do. You can do a tomato base, you can do chicken stock, you can do wine. I'm gonna make it very easy. We're gonna use pre-made canned pesto. That's gonna be our base. It's got some garlic, it has herbs, oil, all in there already. That's how we're gonna start out our cooking process. But first, with mussels, you need a nice piece of toast. I'm gonna get that on a grill pan, just a little bit of olive oil on these. You want a nice thick crusty bread. This will work any pan with kind of a rim that you can cover with a lid. Oh wait, that's my lid. So what should I use? Yeah, that should work. Get that on high heat. Good, a couple of heaped spoonful of pesto right as your base. Spread that out. If you make your own pesto, even better. Go for it. I'm going for ease and quickness here. Pesto from a jar. Ooh, I have some frozen peas. I'm gonna throw those in as well. Optional, you can use fresh peas, you can use frozen peas. Just another thing to have in here. Nice green, fresh element. Get the vegetables really going with this one. All right, that pesto's starting to bubble away on the bottom, so I'm gonna go in. I have some sliced baby zucchini right here. That's gonna go in. And then I have some cherry tomatoes that just cut in half. Put some of those in. All right, give that a shake and then hit it with a little bit of salt. So all your mussels can go right in on top. That one broken, don't use it. That's just barely fits. It's a little crowded. You should use a little bit bigger of a pan, but that will work. I'm gonna go in with the rest of my zucchini here. And let's just throw a little bit of pesto, a little bit on top, why not? Good quality white wine, about half a glass, something that you would drink, because it's gonna reduce down and the flavor is gonna concentrate. So don't use crap, because it's gonna taste like crap. Cover on top, and boom, now we steam. 3 to 5 minutes, that's it. Oh, is my bread burning? Nah, it's getting nice and charred. Oh, I forgot my peas, fuck. A couple peas, make it a mess. Give it a shake every now and then, but don't be too violent so you're not shaking and breaking the shells on the side. But nice little gentle like this. Don't open it, let that steam in there because the steam is what's cooking it. Mussels are quick. You don't want to overcook it because if you overcook a mussel, then it's way too rubbery. You want them nice and plump. That's the perfect looking mussel. So you'll know it's overcooked if it's in the shell and it's kind of looks dehydrated and kind of like this. You can see them, everything is expanded. I definitely use too small a pan. I'm aware of that. All that matters is that though. Look at how beautiful that looks. See what I'm talking about? See how plump that mussel is? Whoops. They're very easy to tell when they're done and when they're not done. A lot of times you're cooking steak, you're cooking chicken. If you're just starting out, it can be a guessing game. With this, there's no guessing game. They're open or they're closed. Very cut and dry. See, like this one. Still closed, no good. That's a nice plump one. That's what I'm talking about. That's a good mussel. Some of those tomatoes. Pour that all over everything. And this would make a great leftover pasta. You can take the peas, you can take the zucchini, you can take the tomatoes, take the mussels out of their shell, put a little bit of heavy cream in there, stir it up, boom, leftovers, pasta. As good as the mussels are, soaking it up with this bread at the end, whew, that's even better. And just like that, that's how easy it is to make mussels. Let's go, and I've already been snacking on these, but let's go in for an official bite. Dunk it. Come on, that's the bite you want. That's the bite. Let it soak in. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for tonight's episode. That's how easy it is to make mussels. I'll see you guys next time. I'm Donnie. Peace. Really good.
I'm a private chef, cook for money, yeah.